siren back there.
Nice.
Ignore that. So review video. Okay. So I'm gonna do a few sound clips real quick. So I'm gonna get a few with the windows up and I'm gonna get a few with the windows down, and then I will actually have one showing the pull. I'm on the interstate right now, so I can't really do too awful much. Like, I can't just go from a dead stop. I'll have to get that later. So I'll have to do sound clips right now. So, you ready?
Yep.
I really like the sound. Other people might have other opinions. It's a little loud. Not as loud as it could be, since it does still have a muffler and still has a resonator with the Corsa Catback. I'll roll down the windows real quick, see if I can get a hear a little bit noise. That's okay. Shouldn't be doing that with cops around.
Gonna get us arrested.
I will get some better sound clips when we're stationary. Just wanted to show a few when you're actually like on throttle and stuff. When we're actually rolling, I should say.
Favorite place on earth?
Mattress
Favorite
firm?
place? No, Taco Bell. It's Taco Bell, not Mattress Firm.
I was like, what?
No.
So future plans for things. I should be getting a new differential, a 4.3 differential, which these came with a 4.1 stock, at least the 2016 years. And I will be putting in the 4.3 hopefully soon. I'm gonna get over because this person's gonna ride my bumper, even though I'm going 5 over right now. So new differential coming soon. I've been wanting to test the Crawford Billet power blocks, I think they're called, which basically are just like spacers for your intake manifold. It's supposed to push the power band further left, so it comes on 300, 500 RPM sooner. Could be pretty good for this kind of daily driver, not really track built car. So we'll see how that goes. There'll be another review on those, hopefully coming around Christmas. And we will review the 4.3 differential as well, hopefully again around Christmas. But car overall, feeling a whole lot better than stock. Stock goes slow, to say the least. I'm just gonna go one by one on all the things I did, all the mods I did in my car, and I'll tell you what worked the best, what didn't work, what was okay. Nothing didn't work, but it was just like if it did this much or if it did this much. So that's what I go over. So number one, the Tomei unequal length headers. That was really good. That was really good. Really helped the car. Made it a lot better than stock, for sure. And that was one of the later mods I actually did. I think that's actually the last thing I've done so far. I have other things on the way. I'll go over that in a second, but okay. Number two, that engine evolution intake I have. I wouldn't say it did a whole lot. I think you could probably get almost the amount of gains just off of doing it like a filter, just like a Canon filter or something, free flowing. But it worked. It's pretty good. I like it. It sounds pretty nice. It just looks stock in the engine bay. If I can remember, I'll put a picture like right here. Okay. And it overall is pretty good. I think it's a good addition with the headers as well, kind of just like an add-on on top. Okay, number 3, the front pipe, the Motiv Concepts Catless front pipe. It really didn't do much. This was actually one of the first mods I did. I you know, being in college, I don't have much money, so I bought a tune and then bought that at the same time because I can't afford headers yet with a tune, of course. And it's nice. It didn't really change anything from stock. It's just a little bit on top, maybe. I'd say now it's probably doing a little bit more because I have almost a full exhaust. I just don't have the overpipe. But overall, it's pretty good. I think it sounds pretty good. It's not resonated or anything, but it's not raspy because of the Corsa exhaust, which I'll get into in a second. So right into that. Number 4, the Corsa Performance exhaust. I think it's Performance. I can't remember. Put another picture up right here if I remember. It's pretty good. I actually got it for a really good deal. I traded somebody for a cheapo exhaust. I literally bought a Spec D exhaust for 85 bucks, and then traded it with like 100 on top for a Corsa exhaust. Very good deal, and I really like it. It sounds really good. It's not too raspy. I'll put sound clips in. Probably did at the start of the video. Maybe we'll do it now. I don't know. Sounds really good. Not really a huge performance gain or anything. It just sounds nice. It makes you feel like you're going faster, I guess. But yeah, that's all I've did to my car right now. That's just the basic bolt-ons, I know. Oh yeah, well, a tune as well. Forgot to mention that. Might have mentioned it when I was talking about the front pipe, but tune did quite a lot. You know, really nice stage 2 tune with the headers. You know, all that jazz. You've heard it a million times, I'm sure. Okay, so what's next? I just now bought a Y58 differential, which, you know, it's a 4.3 final drive instead of 4.1, which was stock. Not a huge difference, like what, 5%-ish difference. But hopefully we'll be throwing that on pretty soon, and then hopefully come around Christmas or something, throwing on I was gonna try the Crawford Performance Power Blocks or whatever, Crawford Power Blocks. Yeah, gonna try those. Gonna retune my car for those as well because you can get a little bit more out of them. And I'll post another video on that too. So, just be looking out for the differential video and then the Power Blocks video. Yeah. But overall, I'd say the car is a lot better than stock. Really gets up and goes a lot more. I mean, it's still not fast, let's be honest, but it's not as slow as it was. It's a lot more fun than it was. I really enjoyed it. It can keep up with things that it couldn't keep up before. I mean, it's still not winning against like a Mustang or something just yet. But overall, I really like it. Some other things I kind of want to do in the future. I've been wanting to try nitrous, but I haven't heard anything about it. It's kind of just a good bang for your buck power mod, just because I don't really want to go forced induction, and I don't really want to go, forced induction, I don't know what I was thinking. Yeah, I don't really want to do that because reliability, again, broke college kid. They went to like one of the cheapest colleges you can go to. So, yeah, see how that goes. I'll put a sound clip somewhere in the video. Here's the timestamp somewhere right here. So just look out for that. You can listen to it. Yeah, you can hear everything. Yeah. My girlfriend just looked at me. She's waving. She helped record like half this, so thanks to her. I'll post me and her have a channel. I'll post that in the description as well. And that's pretty much all. So if you have any questions, you can put them in the comments. I can answer pretty much anything. I did a lot of research on some things. The car sounds really good in my opinion, but you might hate it. You might think it's a little bit iffy. I mean, everyone has a different view, I guess. But anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe.